Hello, welcome to my channel. Now I would like to talk about elderberry, Sambucus nigra. This is one of my favorite plants. It grows wild in Hungary and it is a shrub-like small tree, and it needs a lot of nitrogen. So when these trees are growing, they are indicating nitrogen surplus in the soil. And I very much like elderberry. My mother and I used to collect these flower heads which have this wonderful fragrance, and she used to make syrup and tea from these flowers. It's also a herb, so you can make tea from it, and when you have these dried inflorescences and you make tea, it will make you a little bit sweaty, so that's normal. And in Germany and Austria, they usually also pick the flowers for syrup and tea and lemonade, but they also pick the berries. The berries are dark purple. They are full of anthocyanin, which is antioxidant, and they make jam from these elderberry fruits. Hungary is very famous for the elderberry production. We do a lot of elderberries, and they have a very strange training system. So as you can see, this is a big shrub, and it usually has basal shoots coming from the trunk. I don't know if you can see it here. So that's the trunk, and you have these basal shoots coming out. But in the training system, they make only one shoot, and they cut out these shoots from the base, and they make a small crown with 4 to 8 branches. And they often get replaced because these shoots are living for only about 5 to 8 years, or maybe shorter. And so there you can see the berries are already starting to grow, and they usually ripe around August in Hungary. And there are also a lot of black aphids, usually in the flower heads, but I just really like it. It has this wonderful fragrance, and also bees and other insects like flies, hoverflies, they like this very much. So it's a nice plant. So thank you very much for your attention. If you like my content, you can like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye.